Hello everyone, welcome back. So, are you confused about whether SAP FICO is the right choice for you or not? Wondering about your job opportunities, salaries, and whether you need accounting knowledge for SAP FICO? So, in this video, I will answer the top 20 questions that beginners like you have. So, let's start. So, the first question. Often there is a doubt like, is SAP FICO a good career option in 2025 and beyond? So let me answer this. Yes, SAP FICO is still a strong career choice. Financial management is a core business function, and companies will always need professionals who manage it efficiently. With SAP S/4HANA evolving, there's even more demand for consultants who can handle migrations and new implementations. However, it's crucial to stay updated with SAP S/4HANA Finance as legacy ECC skills alone won't be enough in the long run. So, are you clear with this? Second, there is also a confusion, especially those who are beginners, that they do ask, like if they are from an accounting background, so can they still learn SAP FICO and can they still learn and excel in this field? So, yes, but it will take more effort, definitely. If you are from IT, engineering, or any other background, you will need to grasp accounting basics like ledger, balance sheet, and cost management. The good news, many successful SAP FICO consultants started without prior finance experience. Hands-on practice and real-world scenario will help bridge the gap. Fine. Now, third, what is the future of SAP FICO with the rise of SAP S/4HANA? See, SAP S/4HANA Finance is replacing traditional SAP FICO in many areas, but the core concepts remain the same. Businesses are shifting towards real-time data processing, and this requires FICO consultants who understand both the old and the new system. So the transition to S/4HANA will create job opportunities, but professionals need to upskill accordingly. Clear? Fourth is, which is better for job opportunities, SAP FICO or SAP MM or SAP SD? See, it depends on your interest and background as well. If you have a finance or accounting inclination, SAP FICO is the way to go. But if you prefer logistic, supply chain, or sales, then SAP MM, which is material management, or SAP SD, which is sales and distribution, may be a better choice. Fine. However, SAP FICO generally has higher paying roles due to its critical business impact. Now, coming to next question. Do I need programming knowledge like ABAP, Advanced Business Application Programming, to work in SAP FICO? So the answer for this is no. Programming is not required for functional consultant like SAP FICO professionals. However, understanding ABAP basics can be helpful when working with developers to create custom reports, enhancement, or troubleshooting errors. But don't worry, most FICO consultants work without writing a single line of code. Next question. Sixth, how much time does it take to learn SAP FICO from scratch? So, for a beginner, 3 to 6 months is a realistic timeline to learn SAP FICO properly, assuming consistent effort. However, becoming job ready takes longer. Practical experience, real time projects, and hands on exposure make all the difference. Fine. Next question. What kind of job roles can I get after learning SAP FICO? So see, common roles include SAP FICO consultant, SAP end user, financial analyst with SAP expertise, and business process consultant, BP consultant. We can say that. Many companies also have in-house SAP finance teams, so corporate finance professionals can upskill with SAP FICO and move into hybrid roles. Next question. Is SAP FICO difficult to learn compared to other SAP modules? See, it depends on your background. If you understand accounting, SAP FICO will feel logical and structured. But if you are new to finance, it can be a steep learning curve compared to technical module like SAP Basis or above. FICO is easier because there is no coding involved. Fine. Now coming to next question. Question number 9. Someone has asked, I have experience in finance, but no SAP experience. Will companies hire me? Yes, but mostly likely for entry level or end user role as first. Companies often look for experienced SAP consultant, but having strong finance domain expertise can be an advantage. Gaining Gaining hands-on SAP FICO experience through project or internship can speed up your transition. But if you are joining as a beginner without any experience, then I will always advise you go for first as an end user role, because first you will learn something like behind a like after implementation or after like SAP going live, how the end user work, first get experienced of this, and then after working and taking the experience as an end user for say 1 or 2 years, then you can switch for the consultant. Fine. By the time you will be very much familiar with the system as well. Now coming to next question, which is question number 10. Do companies prefer SAP certified candidate or is experience more important? Do companies prefer SAP certified candidate means those who have given the SAP certification exam, or importance is given to the experienced one? So see, experience matter more definitely, but a certification can help especially for freshers. But companies prioritize hands-on experience and problem-solving skills over theoretical knowledge. That said, if you are transitioning careers or struggling to get interviews, an SAP FICO certification can add credibility to your profile. Fine. Now, question 11. Is freelancing possible in SAP FICO, or do I need a full-time job? Freelancing in SAP FICO is possible, but tough for beginners. Most SAP FICO freelancers have years of experience and industry connections. So, if you are just starting, a full-time job will give you the exposure you need before considering freelancing. Fine. 12th, I have completed an SAP FICO course, but am struggling to get a job. What should I do? This is a very common question. So many training institutes provide theory-based learning, but no real-time project exposure. So to improve your chances, work on demo projects or take some internship or connect with some professionals on LinkedIn. Be open to starting as an SAP end user before moving into consulting, as I told you just now. Practice interview questions and prepare case studies to showcase your skills. Fine. Now moving to next question. Question number 13. What are the best resources to learn SAP FICO, both free or paid? See, there are various free courses which is provided by SAP itself. There is a site called Open SAP. ठीक है? But and also there are many YouTube tutorials where you can easily access and get some learning about SAP FICO. Even mine is also one of the free coaching you can say, where I am trying to cover each and every topic module wise as simple way as I can. But there are definitely more. There are also some paid and structured learning. Like there is a SAP Learning Hub where you have to pay some amount and then you can take your courses according to your suitable module. There are some ERP websites like SAP Community, Guru 99, and many other SAP help portal are there. Even you can take some paid courses and hands-on experience from Udemy or Coursera. It's all your personal call. Coming to question number 14, what salary can I expect as a beginner in SAP FICO? So see, if you are in India and if you are looking for a job in India, then for a fresher like say 0 to 1 year of experience, you can easily expect like an average salary is 7 LPA. So you can expect between rupees 4 to 10 lakh per annum, and if you carry like some more experience, say 1 to 3 years of experience, then definitely 8 to 20 lakh per annum. And if you are a senior consultant, say 5 plus years of experience, then definitely 25 to 50 plus LPA you can expect it. But let me very uh, prominent and be very clear about it that even your salary depends on many factors, the place where you are staying, even it depends on for which company you are applying, the size of the company, the location of the company, and the skill which you are carrying. There are many MNC and big IT firms like TCS, Infosys, Accenture, which usually offer better pay than the smaller firm. Okay? And definitely, if you have SAP S4 HANA expertise, then you can even command even higher salary. So fine, I have addressed this. And if you are looking for a job like outside India, then there the fresher can easily get like from 5,000 to $15,000 per year. That also varies like country to country. And same like if you are like 1 to 3 years of experience and 15,000 to 30,000 US dollar. And senior consultant say 5 plus years and 50,000 to 1 lakh dollar. Okay, 1 lakh plus dollar, but it also like it depends on the countries. In countries like US, UK, Canada, salary are much higher compared to India or Southeast Asia countries. Okay? Now, coming to next question. Question number 50. How do I gain real-time project experience in SAP FICO? So see, you can enroll in SAP boot camps with hands-on projects, or you can join some SAP forums and help troubleshoot real world problems. Or you can even apply for internship or assistant role at initial level in SAP project. And or you can even like you can see your some nearby institute where they do provide some practical and live session experiences. So that could be the chances where you can gain some real-time hands-on experience in SAP FICO. Now, next question. Can I switch from another SAP module to SAP FICO later? Yes, many consultants transition from SAP MM, SD or HR to SAP FICO. It requires learning financial processes and SAP FICO configurations. But if you have already worked, doesn't matter in whichever module, you know the platform of SAP, then the switch is easier. Next question. Question number 17. What are the biggest challenges faced by SAP FICO consultant? First, keeping up with SAP S4 HANA updates. Second, dealing with complex client requirements. Third, integration issues with other modules like SD, MM, etc. And lastly, long working hours during go live or major implementation. Fine. Question number 18. Does SAP FICO require strong accounting knowledge or can I learn it on the job? See, accounting knowledge helps a lot, but you can learn on the job. Many consultants pick up finance concept as they work. However, if you are completely new to finance, it's worth taking a short accounting course first. ठीक है? so that at least you be aware about the accounting principle, journal entries, ledger, few of the accounting terms. ठीक है? Now, next question. Which industries have the highest demand for SAP FICO professionals? So, see, industries with strong demand mainly include banking and financial services, manufacturing industries, retail industries, healthcare industries, and IT consulting industries. So, these are the industries where SAP FICO professionals are highly demanded. And finally, the last question. What are the daily tasks of an SAP FICO consultant? Like what they do on the daily basis. So definitely it's if you are a consultant, you will do the configuration. So configuring SAP FICO settings based on business needs or based on the client's requirement. Secondly, resolving system error and supporting users. Third, integrating SAP FICO with other modules. Fourth, preparing financial reports and audits. And lastly, training end user and working with business teams. So I think I have narrowed down most of the like queries I'm very sure the beginners hold. So please watch this video. If you come across any query or there is any thing you want to ask, any questions you want to ask, you can reach out through my LinkedIn profile. You can even drop your valuable comment. You can give your feedback, whether it be positive, negative. Definitely, positive feedback will help me to grow and to make such videos in future as well. And even the negative video will help me to improve the quality of my teaching. So either way, please do like, share, comment, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I hope this video clears most of your doubts. So this all about today's class. Thank you and have a good day.